Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can active your alert mode on MetaTrader 5. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you have already logged in as well. So if you haven't logged in, then simply tap on the settings, and now you can see there is a new account. So once you tap on that new account, you can see you can add your demo account by tapping on the MetaCourse Ltd, or you can also add your real account by searching in the search bar. So let me get back, and now you can see there is a trade option at the bottom of this screen. So once you tap on that trade, you can see there is a plus icon at the top right corner of this section. So let's tap on that plus icon, and now you can see there is a stop loss, take profit, and deviation. So you can simply adjust your alert by setting up the stop loss, take profit, and deviation, and so on. So you can also add a alert by tapping on the instant execution, which is at the top of this section just down below of this EURUSD. So once you tap on that drop down icon, you can see there is a lots of options to active your alert mode on. You can see there is a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and so on. So yeah, once you've done everything, simply tap on the sell or buy, and yeah, you'll be able to active your alert mode on MetaTrader 5 successfully. So basically this is how you can active your alert mode on MetaTrader 5, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.